Hello, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Adrienne. Protoje's sixth album, Third Time's the Charm, has debuted at number 8 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The album sold 710 units in sales and is streaming in the United States during the first week of release. Third Time's the Charm is the conclusion of a trilogy of albums that began with his Grammy-nominated A Matter of Time and In Search of Lost Time. Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts will be hosting the Karen Smith Memorial Scholarship Concert this Sunday at 6 p.m. The event is part of the 45th anniversary celebration of the school and will have performances from Dean Fraser, Carleen Davis, Ernie Smith, and Keisha Patterson, just to name a few. Proceeds from the event will go towards the scholarship vocal performance student of the college, as well as for refurbishing sections of the school. The award-winning Jamaican singer Karen Smith died last year after her battle with colon cancer.
Moonlight lover, when you walk along with me, whoa, whoa, people say.
Now, on the international scene, the coal miner's daughter singer Loretta Lynn died earlier today at her home in Hurricane Mills, Tennessee. The three-time Grammy winner was popularly known for hits such as You Ain't Man Enough to Take My Man, One's on the Way, and her biggest hit, Coal Miner's Daughter, which was not just a musical hit, but the title of a blockbuster movie in 1980. Loretta died from natural causes at the age of 90.
Well, I was born a coal miner's daughter in a cabin on a hill in Butcher Holler. We were poor, but we had love. That's the one thing that Daddy made sure of. He shoveled coal to make a poor man's dollar.
That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Adrienne. Thank you for watching.